Welcome back to my channel. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, known for its ease of use, customizable features, and scalability. Whether you're starting a small business or testing a new product idea, Shopify offers everything you need to create and manage your own online store without needing advanced technical skills. In this beginner's tutorial, we'll walk you through the key steps to set up your first Shopify store from scratch. 1. Sign up and start your free trial. Visit shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. You'll be prompted to enter an email, address, password, and a store name. You can change this later. Answer a few questions about your business, like what you plan to sell, and click Next. You'll then land on your Shopify dashboard, the central hub for running your store. Tip: Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, and you can choose a paid plan later. 2. Set up your store settings. Before you start adding products, you should configure your store's basic settings. General settings. Navigate to Settings, General, and enter your store name, legal, business name, and address. Payments. Go to Settings, Payments. Shopify supports various payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and third-party providers like Stripe. Checkout. Customize checkout preferences such as guest checkout, account creation, and order processing. Make sure to also set your currency. Define your shipping zones and rates. Set up tax rates based on your region. 3. Choose and customize a theme. A theme determines how your store looks to customers. Shopify offers both free and paid themes in its theme store. To choose a theme, go to Online Store Themes. Browse or search for a theme that fits your brand. Click Customize to adjust layout, colors, fonts, and images. Using Shopify's visual editor, you can preview changes before publishing. No coding knowledge is needed, but if you want to dig deeper, you can edit the theme's code liquid, CSS, HTML. 4. Add products to your store. Adding products is the core of building your store. Go to Products, add product. Fill in the following details: title and description. Clear and engaging content helps sell the product. Images. High-quality images from different angles. Pricing. Include compare at price if running discounts. Inventory. Track stock levels. Shipping. Set weight and customs information for shipping. Variants. Add size, color, or style options. Click Save when done. Repeat for each product. Tip: organize products using collections, for example, best sellers, men's shoes under products collections. 5. Set up your domain name. A domain is your store's web address, for example, www.yourstorename.com. Go to Settings, Domains. You can buy a new domain through Shopify. Connect an existing domain if you purchased one elsewhere, like GoDaddy. Using a custom domain builds trust and looks more professional than the default Shopify URL, for example, yourstore.myshopify.com. 6. Set up shipping and taxes. Accurate shipping settings ensure customers are charged the right amount and receive products on time. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Set up shipping zones, for example, as Canada, International. Choose flat rate, free shipping, or carrier calculated rates. For taxes, go to Settings, Taxes and Duties. Shopify automatically calculates tax based on your region, but you can modify it if needed. 7. Set up payment gateways. Accepting payments is crucial. Shopify Payments is the simplest and integrates directly with your store. To enable it, go to Settings, Payments. Choose Shopify Payments. PayPal or a third-party processor. Enter your business and banking information. This allows you to accept credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. 8. Preview and launch your store. Once your products are added and your store design is complete, preview your store. Click Online Store, view your store to see what customers will experience. Test checkout and mobile responsiveness. Ready to go live. Pick a Shopify plan: Basic, Shopify, or Advanced depending on your needs. Remove password protection under Online Store Preferences. Your store is now live and ready for customers. 9. Add useful apps, optional but helpful. Shopify's App Store offers thousands of apps to extend functionality. Aberlo or Deezers for dropshipping. Klaviyo email marketing. Judge.me product reviews. SEO Manager improve search engine visibility. Live chat tools for customer service. Don't install too many apps, as they can slow down your site. 10. Market your store. Once your store is live, you'll need to drive traffic and customers. Social media. Promote products on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Email marketing. Build a list and send regular updates or promotions. SEO. Optimize product titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. Paid ads. Consider Facebook ads or Google Shopping. Content marketing. Write blogs to educate and attract organic traffic. Shopify also has built-in marketing tools under Marketing in your dashboard. Bonus tips for beginners. Use analytics. Shopify's dashboard shows key metrics like sales, traffic, and conversion rates. Stay updated. Follow Shopify's blog and forums to learn new features and tips. Customer service. Provide excellent support through email, chat, or phone to build loyalty. Mobile friendly. Ensure your site looks great on smartphones. Most shopping happens there. Conclusion. Shopify makes it easy for beginners to start an online store without needing coding or design expertise. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and strong support system, you can launch a professional, fully functional e-commerce site in a matter of hours. From choosing a theme to setting up payments and shipping, each step helps you build a reliable, scalable online business. With consistency, creativity, and the right marketing strategy, Shopify can be the foundation of a thriving digital store. Thanks for watching.